skin like you never even left my mind.
If your skin is dry, crepey, and losing elasticity, watch this, because this right here might be exactly what you need. Beautiful babes, as we get older, 50, 60, and beyond, our skin starts losing moisture, collagen, and that natural glow. But don't worry, I got you. Tonight, I'm showing you how to make a deep repair glow oil using aloe vera and vitamin E that helps hydrate, smooth, and bring your skin back to life. Aloe vera is going to hydrate and soothe that dry, thinning skin, while vitamin E helps repair, soften fine lines, and lock in that moisture overnight. Simply add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of your favorite oil. I'm using jojoba oil, but you can also use almond oil or even olive oil. And then add 1 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, or if you have the capsules like I do, 2 capsules will do it. Mix it together until it's nice and smooth. At night, apply this to clean skin. Focus on your cheeks, jawline, neck, and under eyes. This helps plump your skin, soften those lines, and give you that hydrated, glowing look, especially if your skin is looking dry or crepey. Use this 3 to 4 times a week at night for best results. Now, consistency is key. I know you hear that all the time, but that is it. And beautiful babes, because we're not aging, we're glowing. So girl, get to it.